Okay, so this is from ML Agarwal 17 part 2. Now you have to simplify this. You can see, in fact, this sum is related with this formula a cube minus b cube. We have done expansion before and factorization also. So there you have a formula a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. Now this is a cube minus b cube means what? A minus b and then a square plus ab plus b square. So this is a cube minus b cube. Similarly, we also have a cube plus b cube. So that the formula is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Now here we will use this formula, a cube minus b cube. So this is in this format. Now if you see carefully here, this is a minus b, that means a means x1 by 3, b means x to the power minus 1 by 3. So this is a minus b, this is a square plus ab plus b square. Now I will show you how. Now you see here, if you see this is a and this is b, then if this you think as a, then a square means what? You see a square becomes, so this is a square, so that means this is a square. Similarly, this is b, so this is b square. So you can understand x minus 1 by 3 and whole square, that will also becomes, so this is a square and this is b square, and in fact this is ab, a into b, because you know if you multiply this to x 1 by 3 is inverse multiplication, so the answer will be 1, because you can understand it's negative power. So x 1 by 3, you can say x 1 by 3, and finally it is 1. So hence we can say that this sum is in the format, in this format it is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So we have to show in this format first. So I can write this one as x 1 by 3, x minus 1 by 3, then x 1 by 3 whole square. So this is a square, as I told you. This is b square, x minus 1 by 3 and whole square. And in place of 1, I will write ab. So I will write x 1 by 3 and x minus 1 by 3. You know, so the same thing, but I am writing in this format. So that means this becomes a minus b, and this is a square plus ab, ab means 1, and the plus b square. So finally what we got? We got a cube minus b cube. So x 1 by 3 whole cube minus x minus 1 by 3 whole cube, right? A cube minus b cube. So finally, you know, power will get multiplied, so 3 get cancelled, 3. So finally it is x and this x minus x to the power. So finally we can write the answer as x and 1 by x. Okay, understand? Okay, now the next sum, and this is easy. You know, during the laws of indices I have told you that square root means to the power half, cube root means to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, if it is fourth root, it is 1 by 4. So if it is m root, suppose any a variable m root a, so I can write it as 1 by m. So similarly here it is lm root, this is mn root, this is nl root. So we can write this one as this way, x to the power l and x to the power m, and 1 by, I'll write 1 by lm. Similarly this one also x to the power m by x to the power n, and 1 by mn, and x to the power n by x to the power l as 1 by nl. And now So just power and power get multiplied, and you know this is for both. So I'll write like this, x and then L into 1 by Lm, and similarly x m into 1 by Ln. So like this I'll do all. NL. And then here L and L get cancelled, M and M get cancelled. Here also M and M get cancelled, N M get cancelled, N M get cancelled, and LL get cancelled, right? And finally what we left here, x 1 by n into x 1 by n into x, and this is 1 by L. And here also I get x 1 by L into x 1 by m into x 1 by n. So again all of the will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled, this and this, and this and this. So finally the answer is 1. Okay.